In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off autofill of your payment methods in Chrome browser. So if you had saved your payment methods and it is usually autofilled whenever you are entering or you are filling forms for payment, then you can go ahead and turn off this option. Alternatively, if you want to turn on this such that whenever you fill forms and your payment method or details are required, then Google can go ahead and autofill automatically. Then you can go ahead and turn on this payment. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to turn on and off autofill of payment methods in Google Chrome is quite simple. Just head over to these three dots here, these ellipses, and then head down to settings. From settings, you'll see this left sidebar menu. Go ahead and click on autofill and passwords. Now under this, you'll see we have autofill and passwords for Google Password Manager, payment methods, and addresses and more. Payments, go ahead and click on payment methods. And you can see we have this option here, save and fill payment methods. We are told these fields in payment forms with your saved payment methods. If you want to turn off this option, go ahead and toggle it off, and therefore from now henceforth you will never see those autofill of your payment methods when you are filling forms that requires payment in Google Chrome. So that's how you can turn on and off autofill of payment methods in Google Chrome. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.